right, so how do you guys want to get the apples? What about a ladder?
No.
How about a stick and you hit it?
No. I'll throw this.
We've gotten all the low apples. So now we're going for the harder ones. All right, get the apple then. Whoa. Got it. Is that one good? This looks pretty good. I mean, for leaving them on the tree for so long. Let's go bring these back to the barn, and then we're gonna go get some wood. Bring more than that. Zoe, help him. So I think we get too used to actually perfect fruit. You know, we end up spraying and spraying and spraying all kinds of nasty petrochemicals just to create something that looks perfect when it doesn't actually taste any better. We got these Seckel pears that we grow on the farm, and these things are amazing. I mean, they're perfect. Might not be, great size or anything. They may have some dimples on it, but they're absolutely perfect, aren't they?
Cut me a piece.
Aren't these better than the ones you get at the store?
Yeah. No.
Yeah, they're just delicious. Good question. You gotta try one. They're just great. So we're going to need a lot more pears than that. Perfect. But see, now we've got pears, we've got apples, all from the farm. And I want to show you the, these don't look so great on the outside, but look, you slice into it, they're perfect. Absolutely perfect. Delicious apples. So just imagine this. We're going to put platter, cheese, some nuts, prosciutto, holy moly, right? All right, so I'm going to make a table of hors d'oeuvres. When I'm entertaining, I like to make sure people are fed. So from the second they get here, there's a nice spread that they can start munching already. So I'm going to get some prosciutto slice. We got some cheese. I'm going to cut that up. Okay. Put that there. All right, I'm going to cut up some of these beautiful, beautiful pears. So if they want them with the cheese or some prosciutto or just by themselves, they're going to be psyched. And then some beautiful apples. And look at the color inside here. It's just like, and again, I like it farmy. It doesn't have to look pretty, like beautiful slices. It just looks good because it is good. Flowers are beautiful.
Too.
Very, very
Or
old.
just getting old.